Today, we're shedding light on a common household appliance, the gas heater. While gas heaters provide warmth and comfort, it's crucial to be aware of their potential drawbacks. So, grab a seat as we explore the 7 disadvantages of gas heaters. Gas heaters, although effective in providing warmth, pose a significant disadvantage related to indoor air quality. The combustion process inherent in these heaters releases pollutants into the air, including carbon monoxide and nitrogen dioxide. These substances can have adverse health effects, particularly in poorly ventilated spaces. The World Health Organization (WHO) highlights the potential risks associated with indoor air pollution, emphasizing the importance of maintaining adequate ventilation and minimizing exposure to harmful pollutants. A crucial drawback of gas heaters lies in their potential to become fire hazards if not adequately maintained. Gas leaks or malfunctioning components can lead to accidents, posing a serious risk to both property and life. The National Fire Protection Association (NFPA) has identified heating equipment, including gas heaters, as a common factor in home fires. Regular inspections, adherence to safety guidelines, and proper installation are essential to mitigate the risk of fires. While gas heaters offer immediate warmth, they can be costly to operate, depending on regional natural gas prices. Additionally, older models may lack energy efficiency, contributing to higher utility bills. The US Department of Energy emphasizes the importance of considering long-term costs and efficiency when selecting heating systems, encouraging consumers to explore alternatives that balance effectiveness and affordability. Gas heaters can generate noise during operation, impacting the overall comfort of living spaces, especially in smaller environments. Studies, such as one conducted by Kim and Lee 2011, have explored the relationship between indoor heating and respiratory symptoms, acknowledging the potential for noise disturbances. When choosing a gas heater, consumers should consider noise levels to maintain a quiet and comfortable living environment. The placement of gas heaters is often constrained by ventilation and safety requirements, which can limit options for homeowners in terms of aesthetics and space utilization. The Gas Appliance Manufacturers Association (GAMA) provides guidelines for the proper installation of gas space heating appliances, emphasizing the need for compliance with safety standards. This limitation should be considered when deciding on the placement of gas heaters in residential spaces. An important disadvantage of gas heaters is their environmental impact. As the combustion of natural gas releases carbon emissions, this factor contributes to climate change, a growing global concern. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change (IPCC) underscores the significance of reducing carbon emissions to mitigate the impacts of climate change. As the world shifts towards eco-friendly alternatives, the environmental implications of gas heaters become a critical considerations. Gas heaters rely on a consistent gas supply for continuous operation. Any disruptions in the gas line, whether due to maintenance or external factors, can leave occupants without heat. The American Gas Association (AGA) acknowledges the dependence of gas appliances on a reliable gas supply and provides information on the characteristics of natural gas. This dependence on a consistent gas supply may be a drawback in situations where interruptions are likely, promoting consumers to weigh the convenience against potential inconveniences. Conclusion: gas heaters, while offering warmth and comfort, come with several disadvantages that consumers should carefully consider. From indoor air quality concerns and fire hazards to cost implications, noise levels, limited placement options, environmental impact, and dependence on gas supply, each aspect plays a crucial role in the overall assessment of the suitability of gas heaters for individual needs. Being informed about these drawbacks empowers consumers to make educated decisions regarding home heating solutions, ensuring a balance between comfort, safety, and environmental consciousness. And there you have it, 7 disadvantages of gas heaters. While these drawbacks don't necessarily make gas heaters a bad choice, being informed empowers you to make the best decisions for your home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more insightful content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, take care, bye bye.